And really anyone that just wants to boost their skin routine and kind of, you know, get that youthfulness locked in. So this is the W Beauty Anti-Aging Skin Kit. It is going to be 4 products. You have a face wash, a toner, a moisturizer, and a night cream or night serum. We're going to go through each one and talk about them. The first one is, of course, going to be the face wash. This is the amino acid facial cleanser. This is going to really help to clean up those makeup, those oils on your skin, any bacteria, dirt, anything that could really be clogging the pores or eliminating or taking away from that glow, causing bacteria to build up, which causes blemishes and breakouts, right? So this is going to work to get deep into your skin. This is a pH balanced and paraben-free product. So again, really great and natural for the skin, something that's going to, of course, benefit you upon use, and it's a nice deep cleanser, so it really will work to get that makeup off. I use waterproof mascara every single day. I live in South Florida. I mean, more, I guess in the summertime it's more prominent for me to use that type of mascara because of the I swim a lot. But you know, I need a makeup remover in my products, right? And so this has a makeup remover quality to it, so it really does help to get that stuff off of my skin, but also keep the moisture and the natural oils that I need to keep my skin fresh locked in, right? So it is going to, oh, I guess I'm just show you like the product itself. I like the cleanse. I like that it's in this type of component. I do like pumps more for my face washes because I am sometimes an over product user. Like I'll use a little more than I need to. Only with face stuff. Hair stuff I will always underuse, but for face, I don't know. It's crazy. So you can see it is a little bit of a thicker cream base that will get into a nice lather, of course, with water on your face, but you can see that it's not super thick, it's not super oily, so it's not going to be problematic for anyone that has oily skin. This is great for people that are acne prone, again, like I said, with the mature skin, and anyone that is just looking to kind of even out their skin tone, their pH balance, which is really important, and just get that better care for their skin in general. It is important that the duration of washing your face should be about 20 to 30 seconds, and you really want to make sure that you're getting within your T-zone and, of course, your U-zone. A lot of people neglect this under chin area, and we get a lot of bacteria and a lot of breakouts that happen along our chin. So this product is really going to help get deep into those pores as long as you use it correctly, right? Again, this is suitable for all skin types, so if you are a sensitive skin person, this should still be something that you are capable to use. If you have any type of irritation or problems, definitely cease to use it or take a break, introduce it slowly. Your skin can definitely flare up whenever you're introducing a new product, so don't get alarmed if like the first or 1 or 2 washes maybe gives a little irritation. If it's, you know, unbearable and it's after a few, like 5 washes and you're still feeling some pain, then maybe, you know, reconsider. But I've had no issues with this. It works really fantastic as a makeup removing face wash, and yeah, the component's really nice. Even though I do like pumps a little bit more, I that one's not bad. I mean, it's not there's no issues with it, I should say.